Today is Charter Day, which we celebrate every year to commemorate the founding of Victoria College through Royal Charter by King William IV in 1836. Dr. McEwen, on this Charter Day, I offer you a Victoria birthday wish that throughout your time in leading our cherished university, you are always sustained and strengthened by the imagination, verve, and intellectual curiosity and rigor that Victoria University students offer our world, and that we, in turn, may be sustained by these same qualities in your person and your leadership. As we mark your installation and Victoria University's Charter Day with esteemed members of the academic community, we enter the next phase of our history, and it is without question in great hands. Today, of course, we are not just celebrating a building or an institution, we are celebrating people. The talented first-year students who are recipients of admissions awards, your well-earned scholarships are a vote of confidence in the hard work that you put into your studies. Congratulations.
As I walked with this esteemed processional and platform party, who now literally have my back, I was reminded about the power of these revered rituals and to take heart the oath that I swore, that the character and influence of this institution is largely in my keeping, and that above all others, graduates and the community at large will look to me for the maintenance of this university's principles and the promotion of its purposes. Today I have that same feeling, that no barrier is too high, no possibility unexplored, that this call to serve fulfills a purpose deep inside me. Today I hope that you share my feeling that together anything is possible.